Today we have a great recipe you will enjoy over and over. Get your taste buds ready for Chinese chicken salad with Sesame-Orange Dijon Dressing. Serves 2. Ingredients: crispy chicken, 1 large chicken breast, butterflied and flattened to about ½ inch thick, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg beaten, ½ cup panko or Italian breadcrumbs, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, neutral oil for pan frying, vegetable or canola, crunchy toppings, 2 egg roll wrappers cut into thin strips, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, salad base, 2 cups chopped romaine, 1 cup shredded iceberg lettuce, ½ cup thinly sliced radicchio, 1 cup shredded carrots, 3 green onions, cut into thin strips and soaked in ice water 15 minutes to curl, then drained, Sesame-Orange Dijon Dressing, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons fresh orange juice, 1 1/2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon sriracha, adjust to taste, 1 1/2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon neutral oil, helps emulsify, pinch salt and pepper. Instructions: toast nuts and seeds. Heat a dry skillet over medium. Add almonds and sesame seeds. Toast 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant and lightly golden. Transfer to a plate to cool. 2. Fry egg roll wrapper strips. Heat ½ inch of oil in a skillet to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Fry wrapper strips in small batches 20 to 30 seconds until golden. Drain on paper towels and lightly salt. They crisp more as they cool. 3. Bread and cook chicken. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Dredge in egg, then flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs. Press to adhere. Heat 1/4 inch oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook chicken 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and cooked through, 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Rest 5 minutes, then slice thinly. 4. Make dressing. Whisk together rice vinegar, orange juice, honey, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, sriracha sauce, sesame oil, neutral oil, salt and pepper. Taste and adjust. Sweeter, add more honey. Tangier, add more vinegar. Spicier, add more sriracha. 5. Assemble salad. In a large bowl, toss romaine, iceberg, radicchio, and carrots. Add about 2/3 of dressing and toss lightly. Divide between 2 plates and top with sliced crispy chicken, toasted almonds and sesame seeds, crispy wrapper strips, curled green onions on top. Drizzle remaining dressing over chicken. Serving notes: best eaten immediately while chicken and wrapper strips stay crisp. For extra restaurant-style flavor, sprinkle a pinch of additional sesame seeds and a few drops of sesame oil over the top, and enjoy. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.